Should you buy a new construction home or a resale home? This is one of the baseline questions that many home shoppers have early in the process. So here are some factors to consider. New construction homes are built to current codes and standards, which can mean better energy efficiency, safety features, and building materials. You can customize the home to your preferences, and they often come with warranties that cover major systems and structural elements for a period of time. However, new homes may be more expensive than comparable resale homes and may come with additional costs like landscaping or window treatments. Resale homes, on the other hand, are often less expensive than new construction and may offer more bargaining power in terms of price and closing costs. However, resale homes may require more maintenance or updates and may not have the latest features or building materials. You'll also want to budget for any necessary repairs or renovations that may come up after closing. So in deciding between new construction and resale, consider your budget, timeline, and personal preferences. You'll also want to work with a mortgage professional who has experience with both types of homes and can help you weigh the pros and cons for your specific situation. Hit follow for more tips.